The mirror panel requires you to select the objects that you want to mirror and also the mirror plane. The plane can be selected by clicking on a face of a model or by creating a plane using the primitive panel. This plane can be translated or rotated in 3D space. To begin the mirror operation, start by selecting the objects you want to mirror. To do this, hold down Ctrl while selecting the flow paths and the models. Click on the mirror button and you will see that the selected objects have already been input into the field. Click on the plane input field and select the primitive plane that we previously created. This will create a preview of the final design. If you are happy with this preview, click the execute button.